Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. Wisdom to create a life of passion, purpose, and peace. This inspiring tale provides a step-by-step approach to living with greater courage, balance, abundance, and joy. A wonderfully crafted fable, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari tells the extraordinary story of Julian Mantle, a lawyer forced to confront the spiritual crisis of his out-of-balance life. On a life-changing odyssey to an ancient culture, he discovers powerful, wise, and practical lessons that teach us to develop joyful thoughts, follow our life's mission and calling, cultivate self-discipline and act courageously, value time as our most important commodity, nourish our relationships, and live fully, one day at a time. What an absolutely fantastic book! In order to get the full benefit of the book and to truly learn from it, you have to have an open mind. Get past the way the book is written. Yes, it is cheesy, look past it, and forget about what others have told you, what you're currently doing, and just sit back and allow the book to fill your mind and spirit. If you can do that, then I think you would truly enjoy this amazing read and you'll gain a lot from it. If you're a bit judgmental, overly self-conscious of what others think, you don't like learning new things, or you have no desire to work on yourself, then don't even bother, you're not ready. Also, it will help if you're a bit stuck in your job, stuck in a relationship, stuck in everyday life, or just stuck in your way of thinking. This book will help you learn to value everyday things and find what your true meaning is in this life. Help you get unstuck, if you will. Warning, you actually have to apply the words that are contained in this book to your everyday life if you want to actually change yourself, your surroundings, and the course of your life. Grab a journal and take notes along the way.